Are you a doctor or a teacher? A banker who wants to have an extra source of income? Are you a network marketer who have been struggling for years but you cannot find the right company to join? And you've been contemplating which company should you join? Which company will not disappoint you? Are you one of those person? This video is for you. I'm inviting you to the biggest event of the best MLM company in the whole world. I repeat it, the best MLM company in the whole world. We are hosting a 10-year anniversary in Nigeria. According to MLMIA, if you want to join an MLM company, do not join the one that have just started because they can close anytime. Now, this is the best of the best. To be in Nigeria for the past 10 years with the high dollar rate and everything, we are still striving and paying every day. We will be unveiling the guys that have been making between 10 to 100 million naira every month. For the past 16 years, we have been transforming life, and 10 years in Nigeria. 10 years. Do you know what it means to be 10 years in Nigeria, as hot as it is? A lot of MLM company has come into Nigeria, but many cannot even stand the test of time. But we have been in Nigeria for the past 10 years transforming life. We are hosting our 10-year anniversary at Cedar Event Center, plot 226, Solomon Larry, Okota District in Abuja. So you're being invited. Ticket is 5,000. Mark the dates now. 8th of October 2022. If you don't know anywhere around, contact the numbers you're seeing on the screen for more directions. I'll be there to guide you through.